Whew. Stink. Here they come.
Black one.
Come on, run in.
Come here. Come down here. Come down
Oh,
here.
donkey's there, look. Fighting his way through.
Good boy. Daddy.
Yeah. What's it called?
Oh, the chili. That's what a baby.
Oh, look at him.
Look at him.
They're new goats as well, aren't they?
Yeah, I think so.
To the world. Kind of a big one now, but you're lucky if you get a big one. Who's had a big one? Have you had a big one? No, you haven't, so you can have this big one. Daddy, donkeys can have milk.
Oh, yeah.
Look, you just stole food off his. Oh no.
I'll feed him with one hand and then feed him with the other hand.
Can I hold all of these?
Oh, filming by eye. Goats, I'll tell you what.
Oh, Mum.
Oh, he's going. He's going.
Come in.
The big one. See, he's coming out his bum. See it? Oh, I think Aiden is as well. Pardon you.
Did you just Clark then?
Mommy.
This morning he ran past me and Clark. I said, you just Clark in here. And just carried on running. Protect. Practice it earlier.
At what age?
You go to the arms,
Age?
otherwise I won't protect you.
Do I really have to do it?
No.
You guys can I pick that bowl? Are you guys like, can I pick that bowl?
See that dog over there, he's not bothered, is he? Because he's
No.
just so used to it. But I think the other one's new.
Dun, dun, dun.
Excited, isn't he?
Funny this camera could do smell-o-vision because one of these goats here is quite ripe.
Skin come off.
No, that's just mud.
Oh, I think that's mud from where she's been lying down having a rest.
Mud. Oof.
Yeah.
Like a coffee fringe in the front, isn't it?
Oh, look at that little gala.
Little trot that was.
Have a little cross.
That was a little Diane trot that was.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
I know.
Mom. Mom.
Look, pick any of these long leaves, you.
Hold your hand out like that. Put your hand in.
Oh, no, I'm not feeling the big one.
Did you see me walking over there?
I have my food.
One of the mother of the Jilly is called Matilda.
They had balls on fire, saddles.
Sit.
Zach.
Yeah,
Tip it into your hand.
Should we go and get these scooters?
If you want to.
Oh, they feel weird.
What does it feel like?
They feel like, don't know.
Are they like flapping in the wind?
Yeah. They're just like, oh.
Mommy, tell Larry I love you.
Okay.